Hey everyone, I'm Aditya, product manager here at Turing, tuning in boundarylessly from India. So today I'm very excited to share about what's going on with our website. Like we've redesigned the whole website and launched it very recently. So let's take a look at what's new on Turing.com and the philosophy that went behind this whole project of redesigning it. So before we actually take a sneak peek into the new website, let's talk about what inspired us to come up with this redesign and why it felt like an important step as we grow. So, first of all, the most important reason was that we've really scaled our operations a lot since the original website was launched. And even as we speak right now, we are continuing to scale rapidly every day, week, and month. So, given that, our engineers felt that there are a lot of newer and faster tech stacks out there that we could use for our website and bring down the overall loading time and improve the overall experience of a user on the website. Secondly, our content and SEO team has been working on really amazing content with on point messages that will reach the right people and best communicate what we've set out to do and how we change our lives of software developers in the tech world. Thirdly, we've grown a lot month over month. There is a lot more to offer, to say, to answer to the public. So on top of our refreshing our content, we also wanted to add a lot more pages that serves the intent of various users that come to the website. All of it, obviously, there was a lot of room for bringing up a more evolved UI and UX, more evolved graphic designs on the website. Up next, let's take a look at what's new. First, we have added a lot more relevant, crisp, and valuable content on the website, all of which will help our developers and customers discover, understand, and navigate what Turing has to offer easily by visiting the website. Then next, we've got a whole new look and feel in terms of the UI design. We've done some really cool stuff there with a goal of making the overall experience of reading and grasping content of the user, trying to understand it, make it more fun and easy to grasp. We've done this content and design updates on top of a new, faster, and scalable React framework, Next.js. So, this has improved our SEO efforts, our loading time, and has made the overall experience on the website for a user extremely smooth. Then, next, let me take you through what are the pages that we've covered in this overhaul. We've taken up five major pages and content areas that our users seek more frequently in the first release. So yeah, of course, starting with the home page for Turing.com, then we've did a page for companies who are looking for a quicker, more agile solution to hire elite developer talent. Companies can visit this page and find a lot more relevant information about what Turing has to offer in terms of the process of finding a developer, what are the products Turing has to help them in the overall journey of a pre-match to a post-match stage. Then we have a page for developers who are seeking career defining jobs with US companies. So, here on this page, developers can find a lot more relevant information about the jobs that Turing has to offer, as well as the whole Turing process and the advantages that we bring to the table for them. We've created pages for specific roles and jobs so that people who are looking, say, for example, like a tech lead manager role or a director of engineer role or a senior software engineer role, they can visit these pages and find out more in-depth relevant information about the job descriptions that Turing offers for them. Up next, the fifth page, we've added a reviews page where developers can find stories and find out more about other developer experiences in working with Turing. What was their life before Turing? What was their life after Turing? And how Turing has improved both their personal and professional life. Yeah, and this seems like a perfect place to share these stories. We hope that in the future, we'll keep adding more and more testimonials from developers that are engaging actively with Turing today and in the past. Let me also take you through a quick live demo of the website. So this is the homepage for the website. Here you can, like if a customer visits this page, they can go to the hire developers page to find out more information about what Turing has to offer, what are the kind of engineers, how fast they can hire, etc. etc. Then, for a developer who is trying to find out more information about jobs at Turing, they can go to the apply to jobs page and find out more information about relevant jobs. What is the process of applying at Turing? What are the developers have to say about Turing and the advantages that they get over a traditional professional journey. And obviously, like all of these pages that we have on the website are very responsive to all kinds of devices and screens of all sizes. That pretty much sums it all up. This is what we've shipped in this release, and I'm very excited for the next release. We have a lot of new pages that have different kind of content that we want to be available to our users. Thank you everyone for watching along. Hope you like the update. Do visit turing.com and check out the website for yourself for some first-hand experience. Stay tuned for the updates that are slated for the near future. Also, follow us to tag along the journey as we build Turing and join us to be a part of the future of work. Thank you.